Hello, and thank you so much for tuning in today. I have been having my eye on this transfer for so long, and I'm so excited that it's finally September and I can get going with it. This transfer is from our lovely Etched transfer line, which is such a beautiful line. The Etched sunflowers came from it, and now we have these beautiful etched skulls. And if you are into Halloween, I am all about this. So I'm going to take it and kind of make it have a 3D effect. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to layer that skeleton skull in 3 different colors. So I want to get my base put down. I'm using our Sylvie and some orange peel ink, and I am just going to take the other piece of this transfer, which is such a cute quote, and I'm going to lay it down on my board. Then I'm going to get back to work on that skull, and I'm going to show you guys how to layer with 4 different colors. I can't wait to show you guys this. First, take a peek at how that script turned out. It turned out so great. I'll show you again at the end. So the first thing you're doing when you're layering is that I'm going to have my base layer done in black. And then what I'm going to do, because I want the colors offset just slightly, so I'm going to reline up my silk screen perfectly to meet that black. Then I'm just going to slide it over to the left just a little bit. I'm going to now do the same exact thing with another color, except for sliding it to the left. I'm going to line it up again with my black and slide it right over to the right, just a little to offset it. This technique works beautifully. A couple of things that I do want you to keep in mind is to make sure that you wash and dry both your transfer and your paper in between. I am also using just a heavyweight cardstock here, but I did go ahead and I waxed it first. So that way it's easy for that transfer to slide on and off. Once you have all of your colors laid and offset, I'm then going to place the transfer down one last time on that original black design, and I'm going to go over it again. Look how awesome that looks! Now this is included in an SVG file, which if you have an electronic cutter, you can slide that right into your Cricut or Silhouette and cut it out. If you don't, no worries. I take my scissors and I fussy cut it, making sure to leave about a 1/4 inch of white on the outside just to kind of make it look more professional. I then just take some tacky tape, because I want this to be removable so I can reuse that board again, and I just tacky tape it up. Take a look at how awesome this came out. And that script, I told you I'd show you it again. It is gorgeous. And here's the final product. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I hope you try layering. It's so much fun. Thanks and enjoy.